My name is Benedicate Caneill, and I live in Larchmont, New York. I am originally from France. And the title of this piece is Pinched Lines. I have a background in science, particularly in biology, and my work is very much based on structure and geometry. I start with fabrics that I print myself with the process of monoprinting using a plexiglass plate. I start with paint on the plate and I draw in it. This piece is made of squares, individual squares. They are individually printed. Then once the vertical lines are printed, I assemble them. But before assembling them, I made in each square 3 little lines that are pin tucks. The fabric is pinched. This is why the piece is called Pinched Lines. And making those little diagonal pin tucks, interrupting the vertical lines. In the end, I assemble all the squares, looking for connection in between the squares. Sometimes the lines continue, sometimes they are interrupted, but the pattern, the new pattern that arises from the diagonal lines goes from the upper left to the bottom right, and creating a connection and a unity in the piece. My work is also informed by my drawing practice. I join the urban sketchers, very often being in nature or in the city, especially in New York City, looking at lines, at shapes. And then when I draw freely, very inspired by what I have seen. Even if this piece is not figurative, and more abstract, it's very informed by lines and interaction of lines. Also, my background in biology has an influence in my work. My work is also based on this principle of the philosophy aesthetic realism founded by Eli Siegel, who stated that the world, art, and self explain each other. Each is the aesthetic oneness of opposites. And opposites that are in biology are oneness and manyness, for instance, or separation and junction. We are made of many organs, many billions of cells, but all work together to maintain life. And my artwork is based on that many squares, in this case squares, but it can be many parts, are working for the same purpose. So achieving from separate pieces junction, and from many pieces oneness, in order to have a unity. And this is also what we are looking for in life, having all the parts of ourselves, our experience, our many persons we meet, all that working for the same purpose, to be the same person and maintaining an integrity.
Very good.